Hi, I'm going to talk you through how to use Task to deliver an e-learning course. The lessons that are completed as tasks by the teachers are going to be verified, so we check the work that they do. And then that information, we're going to export that information, we're going to put it into our Google Sheet automatically here, so we can start to develop some reporting that can be used in something standardized like a Google Doc. The tasks themselves, to be able to create an e-learning course, you can categorize and subcategorize tasks. So here we've got courses, going to the empathy umbrella. We've then got modules, which is a subcategory, and I go into I am Bangladesh. And then I go into the lesson. Inside the task, we have all the information for the teacher to deliver the lesson. If I click onto one of these links, we load external documentation. That means that we're delivering the entire e-learning course using the mobile phone. The teacher doesn't need any other supporting information to be able to deliver the course. As we scroll down to the bottom, then there's the task completion actions for the teacher, how they're going to show that they have completed this lesson. So, estimation of number of kids in the class. Let me put that in as 21. And I'm going to give a photo of the class, which, as I'm on a simulator on my machine, will have to be this leaf. But please imagine a picture of the kids who have attended this class. There should be 21 of them if everything is working as it should be. So I'll complete that. At this moment in time, though, nothing is going to go through to the Google Doc because this task hasn't been verified. So now we switch mode. I'm one of the verifiers. I'm one of the verifiers on this project. And if I go back to the project list in my app, we'll see one task in Project Rangeet needs verifying. So, I get a ping on my phone. I'm part of the verification team. I'm going to verify this task that's been done by a teacher. When I click through here, I can see awaiting verification. It's completed by Steve. The lesson, empathy, I'm Bangladesh, and I click through here. In here, we now have all the information I need to verify it. I can see, picture of Steve, the date it was done. I've got the location. It seems that I'm in San Francisco, which is just the default for the iOS simulators. The data is estimation number of kids, and what we're looking to do here is we should be seeing proof of a location combined with picture of kids, which have morphed into our magic leaf, and checking that it's just the right number so that we feel that the data that this teacher is sending through to us is genuine. And if I'm happy with that, I can reject it. And if I decide to reject this task, I can simply reject it, or I can reject and send a message back to the teacher to explain what was wrong with the information they sent through. But in this case, I'm going to accept, and what I'm hoping is that I will see this information automatically injected into my Google Doc, and it will update my my charts here. So let's accept. No more tasks to verify. There we see the lesson coming through. And with that injected, we can see that it's updated the count of the ratio between myself and Matt in terms of teaching. And you can see that that 21 has been added to the total count. We're counting total student lesson hours by teacher and by student here. So very simple example, but it shows how you can get a e-learning course out to the market, to remote locations using mobile phones. You can verify the tasks to make sure that the teachers that are getting rewarded for the work are providing genuine information. And you can export that data automatically into places like Google Docs or anywhere else that you want to send your data through to, so you can work with your existing systems. Hope that's been useful, and get in touch with us at hello@task.io.